Dr. Ravindran K.A., a Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Laws, Masters in Personal Management and Industrial Relations and PhD in Management, is a seasoned human resource management professional with close to 3 decades of hands-on work experience in various industries, majorly well-known Japanese corporates, managing the entire human resource and general affairs functions in senior leadership roles. Throughout his corporate journey, he has helped many lives within organizations to reach their career aspirations through effective coaching and mentoring. Outside the organization also, the HR fraternity members are being supported, and they have been consulting him for effective people management practices. He has closely experienced the challenges people face in the organizations, and he has provided them with workable solutions to help them overcome those challenges from time to time as required. Dr. Ravindran has many publications to his credits in various journals, newspapers, and newsletters in topics related to human resource management. Let us know what he says about his books.
I wrote my first book, Build a High-Performance Culture, Move from Ordinary to Extraordinary. Understand, learn, and adopt the strategies of high performers to excel and deliver the best. This first book is about improving the performance or creating the culture of the best performance. Many contributions have been there already by many popular HR or management professionals. However, still, the requirement of the best performance by the employees or its team leaders are not ensured everywhere, and there is a gap. Therefore, many organizations are still struggling to reach the best performing organizations category. The purpose of this book is, therefore, to address or provide the right solutions to the team members and team leaders who are responsible for creating the culture of best performance across the organizations and helping to take the employees or organizations to the next level and win over the competition. My latest book is High Productivity Practices, From Successful Leaders, A Road to Success. You will find it powerful with effective practices to success in enhancing your own productivity. The book has become rich due to successful leaders' examples for nurturing needs that can transform yourself into a more productive person. The following diversified leaders from different parts of the world featured in this book: Agustin Cardenas Fernandez, Viren Parekh, Chintan C.K. Tampi, Colonel Abdul Razak Qadar, Gita Ramachandran, Brigadier Jayant Tiwari, Ketan Krishna, Kunal Oho, Litriana Brown, Nicholas Danashek, Rajesh Pasari, Renu Shori, Dr. Robert J. Thompson, Sadhad Lal Lahiri, Soumitra Singh Thakur, Suresh Ramakrishnan, Timothy M. Floor, Vijay Chadda, Vikas Bansal, and Vikram Kaitan. You only have to read, understand, plan for implementation and establish your success. What is in it for you? This book makes an attempt to enhance your productivity level. Bridge the productivity gap between the team leader and the team members. Apprise you of the best possible productivity practices of few successful leaders, from various industries, to further enhance your effectiveness. Take you from ordinary to extraordinary levels in your productivity standards. This book will help those who are tired of hearing complaints about their low productivity and performance year by year repeatedly with no positive results, are willing to learn or walk that extra mile for enhancing their own productivity to move on to the next level. Feel that their talents and skills are not being properly channelized and are underutilized. Wish to elevate themselves to the next position. Are ready to learn and master the art of productivity enhancement. Are aspiring managers and leaders who have been wanting to enhance their own productivity at work.